Whoa! Thank you very much, miss. Whoa! Coolest class ever award. Guys, what's the coolest thing you can do? Dude at the back, you're going to say something funny. Let's hear it. Oh! That is funny. I'm not going to shut the fuck up though, dude. Guys, I'll tell you what the coolest thing you can do is. It's be road safe. And also, who says helmets can't be swag? Guys, what I'm wearing is a helmet that'll more than likely save your life when you're being a cool guy on the roads. Can I get a hands up? Who rides their bike? Yeah, couple of us. Who rides a scooter? Okay, a few less of us. Okay, hands up. Who drives a monster truck? Put your hand down. No, you don't. Either way, guys, this is going to save your bloody life. I bet you legends. You just pop it on your head, do that, and, miss, if you are single, I'm looking for a girlfriend.